Hello, Blake Rudis here, back with your 12th and final tip for your 12 tips of Christmas. I'm going to make this pretty short, pretty sweet, pretty straightforward because I got 3 kids that can't wait to go to church tonight and celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. And to see if Santa came and visited them, I don't think it happened for me. I think I'm going to get cold, but that's neither here nor there. I'll leave that up for you to judge whether you like these tips or not. But have fun. This is the last and final tip, and it might seem simple, but have fun with what it is that you're doing. A lot of times if you're not having fun, it's either how you're doing it, the compositing part, or why you're doing it. If you're not having fun in the process, the how and the why are usually going to dictate where it is and your judge of what's fun and why it's not fun. How you're doing it. If you're not having fun doing what you're doing, it might be how you're doing it. If you are outside of your scope of knowledge, or you're reaching the ends of the limitations of what it is that you can or cannot do with your skills and talents and your creative efforts, then that is going to frustrate you. So what I'd suggest is if you're trying to do something that's outside of that scope and it's making it frustrating for you, you're not having fun, it's going to translate. People are going to see it on the other side. The viewer is going to feel it. They're going to know that you didn't have fun in the process. They want to see that you have a sheer passion for this stuff. So if you're doing things that are a little too much for you, taper it back and do what you know that you can do. 9 years ago, I could not have done a card like this. It would have been impossible. I'd have been frustrated the whole way through. I probably would have gotten really upset and not sent a card at all. And that would have set the precedent for all the years ahead. All with the really simple thing about having fun doing what I'm doing. Now, the why you're doing what you're doing. Why are you doing it? I know why I do this card. I do this Christmas card because it brings joy to people's life. You should see it. Every time we do one of these Christmas cards, I get text messages, I get phone calls, people putting on their fridge, and sometimes it's on their fridge all throughout the year. Now that's really cool. That's why I'm doing this, to bring love into other people's homes. And I know that even a regular Christmas card can do that as well. But there's a real sense of fun and laughter that comes from doing a card like this. And that's why I'm doing this. So if you're doing this for some type of fame or some type of claim to your name, it's probably not going to work out. I do this because it puts love into people's homes. That's why on the back of our card we say, "With love, the Rudis family," not "Happy Holidays," because we want you to know that we're bringing love into your home. We don't know all the circumstances that people are going through. We don't know what someone might be going through, but opening that card and knowing that there is some love in there, man, that makes it all worth it. And that's why we do it. That's why we do it as a family. And that's what Christmas is all about. That's what this season is for. You know, we can't forget that this is about the birth of Jesus Christ. This is about happiness. This is about making other people happy. It's not necessarily about the gifts. It's not about the monetary things or Santa Claus. You know, it's about that love and how we share that love with others. So I would drop this mic right now, but I don't want to break it because it's brand new, because my other one did break, not because I dropped it. But anyway, Merry Christmas from the Rudis family to yours. I sincerely appreciate you, and I thank you for watching these 12 tips, and I certainly hope that they've helped you with your compositing and your creative efforts. You just watched a tip from a series I'm doing called the 12 Tips of Christmas. It's about this composited Christmas card that I did for our family. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, how this is going to work is over the course between the 13th and the 24th of December 2018, I'll be populating a new tip for the 12 tips of Christmas. If you're on F64 Academy, you'll see that this page is being updated as those days progress. If at any point you want to catch up on these, you can either do it right here on F64 Academy on this page that you're watching right now, or if you're on the YouTube channel, type in F64 Academy and search for the playlist 12 Tips. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this. I sincerely appreciate it. Have a Merry Christmas.